Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
Companion. He represents that monkey brain, that left brain prisoner. Survival mode. Remember, in movies, everything is correlated with the main character. And as the movie goes on, you'll see how Apu is the aspect of Aladdin in survival mode. Now enters Princess Jasmine. Princess Jasmine has to marry a prince before her birthday. Jasmine is the yin in the movie, as she is the divine feminine, and she has to pull in a suitor. She doesn't want to just marry anybody though. She wants to find love. A true love that's within herself. But someone that doesn't just want to marry her because she is the princess. Someone that loves her for her. So she runs away from the palace and tries to seek out her own adventure. Lo and behold, she runs into her young Aladdin. That doesn't realize she is the princess, but her beauty pulls him to her. Now notice how Apu is on the top of his head as he is looking at Jasmine, symbolizing that monkey brain. So, long story short, they make that connection before Aladdin finds out she is a princess. So Aladdin finds out she is the princess. Now, this is important because he has to go inside his cave of wonder, subconscious mind, to win the heart of the princess. He's the only one pure of heart to go inside the cave of wonder, which is only a representation of his mind. The cave tells him to only touch the lamp. He finds treasures, jewels, and a magic flying carpet. Knowledge and magic is in his mind. And behold, he finds his mind.